Whoa! What's up, guys? Tonight we're here in Greasy Garage, Nick's garage. First order of business here. We already got the tires out, so we gotta take this SR apart. And actually, before that, we're gonna clean out a little bit more so we have more room and everything. But SR is coming apart, so we're gonna take the pistons and crank out. Head's probably coming off too. He hasn't decided if he wants to take the head off yet. But other than that, cleaning up and disassembling. So we're just cleaning and washing clothes. Nick's doing all the cleaning. Yep. I'm talking shit to him.
Yep. I gotta figure out where everything goes though. It's my garage, so
yeah.
You know, that's my job. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna take this SR20 apart though, because it's got a rod knock. I just got it from a friend.
Friend of a friend.
From a friend, from a good friend. With everything to go with it, so, you know, we're gonna fix it and make it all better.
Yeah.
And have fun with it after. This little cheater. Cheater. No, just don't be smart. Very bottom. So, as you saw, the tranny's out. So what's next, Nick? Flywheel and clutch. Yeah, flywheel, clutch, turbo manifold. You know, all the fun stuff. So just take coils out, take plugs out.
Are we taking the head off too, or no?
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll just bare block it.
Who knows? Why not? Maybe so.
Let's take all this.
We'll see. We'll see.
Let's take all the X.
Yeah. I'm just taking off some of the stuff, get it out of the way, make it a little smaller at least. I mean, obviously the flywheel has to come off.
Yeah.
It's easier with turbo out of the way and all that shit. So.
Do you have a engine mount or an engine stand?
No. That's why I'm not entirely sure how I want to do this right now. But like you said, it's still gonna come apart first.
Yeah. Okay.
So we gotta see what's wrong.
Okay, so clutch, flywheel, pressure plates off, and that dust plate, sandwich plate thing. We ordered pizza and it's on the way. Gabriel put it in the oven. It tells you the name of who did it.
I remember that. I was about to be like, oh, you memorized his name, huh?
No.
Are you just gonna try and remember so if his pizza sucks, you can tell him that
Just
his
like,
pizza's
Gabriel, your pizza's
terrible?
fucking...
I've done some shit like that. Been like, bro, your pizza sucked. But usually my pizza's pretty fire from Domino's, so.
Yeah, so plug...
Sponsor me, Domino's. Give me some pizzas, bro.
And buy me new tires.
Yeah.
So we're gonna lift it up, drain the oil, see how that looks, and
Take
then
the pan off too, probably.
yeah, depending on how the oil looks, or well, it's spun for sure, right?
Yeah, it's got a spun bearing for sure. I bought it knowing it has a spun bearing. If you, I don't know if you've really guys seen it yet. I've got a head over here, and then there's a block over there. That's a notch top. Yeah, that one has a hole in a piston. It's been.
The piston's been passed around the garage quite a bit.
Yeah. So that's what happens when you advance your timing and you don't do a tune. And the engine had BTC, so it already advances timing. I don't really.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. It's some people's kids. But yeah, so we're gonna find out how fucked this thing is, and we'll get her nice and pretty too.
It'll be the deciding factor on what we're gonna do next. Yeah, so time to lift it up and drain oil, which our bucket's over here, unless those are both coolant.
Nope, one's oil, one's coolant.
It's the bottom one then, because coolant's on top.
Yep.
All right.
We got a drain pan though too, so that's okay.
What do you prefer?
I usually drain everything into the pan first, and I just separate it later.
Oh. How high are you trying to go?
Right there.
Huh? While you like torque
Oh,
it,
yeah.
or are you gonna use the?
No, I'm not gonna use a fucking impact on oil pan. That's the stupidest thing you could do.
I mean, you're just taking it off. I mean,
It doesn't matter. Never, ever do that. Hear that, guys? Never take a drain plug off with an impact. You should actually torque your drain plugs.
really?
As funny as that sounds, you really want to.
What, like 20 pounds?
No, actually drain plugs have a torque. Chevys are like fucking 10 pounds to 18 pounds, and you gotta turn it more.
Which way, towards me or you?
Yeah, towards you. Right there. It's like you're stopping me from turning it.
On the foot, I was trying to hold it from moving while you're doing that. Look black as day. Crude oil?
I mean, it isn't all sparkly and metal shiny, so hopefully it's not too bad inside.
You just like pulled it out? Or, oh, you got forward.
Yeah. I wasn't sure what you were talking about for a second.
Flashlight.
Yeah, flashlight, you slide it forward. Oh, most of that's just bowls.
Looks like shiny to me.
That's a lot of that's just bubbles though.
Yeah, the fucking water.
You don't see metal sparkles and shit in there though. So that's pretty good.
Okay, so I think we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna go inside, eat pizza. We're gonna share Destiny, Nick's girlfriend.
She's gonna get mad if we don't.
Yeah. So next episode, it's gonna be a 2-parter, maybe 3, depending on.
Depends how in depth we go. I'll probably end up fully disassembling this. I'll do it quick enough. It'll probably be a 2-part.
2-parter, yeah.
I mean, if you want to count rebuilding, then it may be a lot of parts because we have a lot of engines.
That might just be a whole nother series.
Yeah, we may just run a couple series.
Because he got a notch top.
The 14, the 13. I got the one in the car. That one's gonna go. That one's actually for sale.
That one's gonna be bye soon.
Someone's gonna buy that one, so we're gonna take it out here soon. And so you guys will see that too, I'm sure. You know, I do a lot of fun things, so. Well, I'm starting to do a lot of fun things. Hopefully you guys can go along for the ride.
So, food time, leave. So, make sure you guys like, favorite, share, and subscribe, whatever all that jazz. I don't think they do favorites anymore, so just like, share, and subscribe. Next episode, more on Nick stuff here, and
yeah, we'll finish that disassembly.
I still got like 5 videos to edit, dude. Not really.
Good.
I still got a couple. So
hey,
we got more videos to edit.
Let's have some fun.
So we're gonna have a lot coming out.
Watch us.
Watch us.
You'll like it.
Don't make me start begging for likes in the beginning of the video, like everybody else does. All right, night, guys.